Hello students, welcome to our next video tutorial on engineering graphics and design subject. We are at unit number 1, projections of solids. As part of projections of solids 1, exercise 1, we are dealing with cases axis perpendicular to HP case 1, axis perpendicular to VP case 2, axis inclined to HP parallel to VP case 3, axis inclined to VP parallel to HP case 4. As part of case 4, axis inclined to VP and parallel to HP. As part of case 4, we have already discussed previously one problem number 10, cone. Now proceed to the next problem number 11. Look at the question. A pentagonal prism having a base with 30 mm side and 75 mm long axis has one of its rectangular faces on HP and the axis is inclined at 45 degrees to VP. Draw its projection. That's the question. Let's analyze the question. First of all, given a pentagonal prism. What do you mean by prism? A prism is a kind of polyhedra having two equal bases, top base and bottom base, and from each side of the base rectangular faces are raised. Now what is the prism which we are discussing here is pentagonal, which will be the base shape pentagon. See here, pentagonal prism, bottom base pentagon shape, top base pentagon shape. Now from each side of the pentagon rectangular faces are raised. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, 5 rectangular faces having base with 30 mm side, nothing but each side of the pentagon is 30 mm and 75 mm long axis. Axis is an imaginary line passing from top center base to bottom center base. Right? Now that's the dimensions. Coming to the location, has one of its rectangular faces on HP. How many rectangular faces will have this pentagonal prism? 5 rectangular faces. What are those? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what is saying? Has one of its rectangular faces on HP. One rectangular faces is there what? On HP. My palm is HP, board is VP. And axis is inclined at 45 degrees to VP. Now in this position, what is the axis? Axis is imaginary from this center to this center. Now when you are looking this position, axis is like this, nothing but perpendicular to VP, parallel to HP. Perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. Now he is telling axis is inclined at 45 degrees to VP. Now axis 45 degrees to VP means 90 degrees, it has to be rotated to 45 degrees like this. Now as rectangular face is here, axis line is rectangular face is on one HP, axis line here it will be parallel to HP. It's inline condition, parallel to HP. Now we are supposed to draw its projections. I hope you all understand. Looking from front view, this base, one of the base of pentagonal prism of pentagon shape will be diminished. You can see this one clearly, back side you can see partially. Now front view, you can see two something faces going on, two rectangular faces. You cannot draw its projection directly, so for that we are supposed to solve this problem as stage by stage process. Now we are supposed to take this object into a particular position such that you can draw its base true shape in any one of the view, front view or top view. If you analyze this position, now if I remove the 45 degrees and make it as 90, axis line, what happened? Axis is 45 degrees. VP, with respect to VP, top view I can see that 45 degrees, I am making it as 90 degrees. When I make it 90 degree, this is supposed to be analyzed by you while you are answering a problem like this. Now you are looking front view. Front view you can see what? True shape of the base as pentagon. Top view. right? Top view with respect to axis, whatever the rectangular faces you can see from top, 3, 4. So what are two rectangular faces? There are two rectangular faces, right? I can just tell you like this. Top view, two rectangular faces. You can draw its top view. Stage 1 complete. Front view, top view. True shape. From that we can draw its top view. Now, whatever the top view you have drawn with respect to axis, you have to rotate it 45 degrees and its respective front view in the stage 2. Hope you all understand. This is the final position which we cannot draw it directly, front view and top view. So we are taking 45 degrees of axis to 90 degrees. Right? To draw its true shape of the base as pentagon. So as usual, let me draw a big XY line. Pentagon shape. Oops. It's on XY line. Pentagon shape on XY line. Now points clockwise direction starting from here, A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash. It should be on XY line. Why? Because one pentagonal prism having base 75 has one of its rectangular faces on HP. So inside, see this is outside, nothing but the exterior, back side one, as I said here, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash. Now axis location, prism, pentagon means A2 opposite midpoint, draw a small line, B2 opposite midpoint, draw a small line, C2 opposite midpoint, that intersection will give you O dash. Back side just O, right? Now this is front view. From front view, when you are looking from here, that becomes top view. To draw the top view, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to draw the projectors. From A, vertical projector, B. See, if you observe from B, the vertical projector is passing through O dash from C dash. Vertical projectors. Now thing is that top view is looking like what? In the top view you can observe only two rectangular faces. Now will they start from XY or below XY with some distance? If you observe in the question, there is no any condition given that base is on VP, its rectangular face is on HP, base is on VP. If previous problem code, whatever that base is on VP means, then we have drawn on XY. But as it is not here, you can take any distance. You can take any distance. How much? Any distance. 5 mm, 10 mm, 15 mm maximum. Now from them what we are supposed to do? Axis line we are supposed to draw first, but axis line is being dominated by this B dash. So a continuous thick line of how much? 75 mm. Outside bases, nothing but here. When you look here, this becomes A, B, C. Now this becomes 1, 2, 3. How about D and E, 4 and 5? They are, when you are looking from top, this is a rectangular face, A1, B2, A dash, B dash, 2 1 dash, 1 dash, which becomes A, B, 2, 1, clearly visible. B dash, C dash, 3 dash, 2 dash, B, C, 3, 2, clearly visible. There are how many rectangular faces? 5 rectangular faces. How about remaining 3? Third one is here. C, D, 4, 3. C dash, D dash, 4 dash, 3 dash. Which has to be shown here. How you can show? As they are bottom. With respect to half, whatever this, they are at bottom. So they are hidden. So that means you have to still draw projectors. And you have to show them as hidden line. So you may ask what happened to the axis. Axis is being dominated. When I am looking from here, see you. When I am looking from here, B dash 2 dash, it's a line, right? Look at the problem, right? B dash 2 dash, this one. This, when it goes to the top view, center and this, they both are in the same line. Center and this both are in the same line. So axis being dominated. If you want, you have to give dimensions here. Each side 30 mm. Axis 70. Stage 1. I have not drawn this right. Oops. Now next is what? See, now whatever the thing which you are observing, axis is 90 degrees. You have to remember in this problem, axis O dash line is same as B dash 2 dash, nothing but B2. This is 90 degrees, but in actual what it has to be? 45 degrees. So what you are supposed to do? Draw 45 degrees line. Draw a 45 degrees line. What is that line which is at 45 degrees? Axis line. On this axis line, what will happen now? Axis line is same as B2. Now it has, B2 line has to be here. Now, is there any condition such that any corner of the base is in contact with VP? No, because we are giving gap, that same gap has to be maintained. You can draw as per your wish, such that total 1-3 length should be equally divided above and bottom. Total distance 1-3 should be equally divided. Now, as part of that case, this distance 1-3 is equally divided. This has 1, this has 3. But this 3 point is not contacting XY. Why? Because there is no condition. Whereas previous problem, if you observe, cone problem, he has mentioned that one corner point should touch VP. One corner point. That's why we have top view point has made in contact with XY line. Top view point. Previously, axis inclined to HP. One point is in contact with HP. At that time, front view point was in contact with XY line. You have to keep remember these differences. Drawing is a simple subject with constraints of conditions, right? If you make it satisfying at each stage, total problem is very simple. Once it is drawn, or whatever that one, 3 I have drawn. Now complete this rectangle box there. Now simple. Of what length we are supposed to complete? Of 70 mm. See, my box shapes and sizes may not be equal to the original. I see how to make a big drafter for this board. I am thinking to make you show very easily. Same I have drawn, and at the same time hidden lines. This total length is not given anywhere. You have to measure this, right? As side is 30, it may be more, 50 or 60. You have to measure that. With respect to this point, you have to draw half and half. This is 45 degrees. This distance is 2, 3, 1, 2. This distance is 1, 2. I'm sorry, I have not drawn points here. I'm sorry. A, B, C, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are hidden, right? You can put them in brackets if you are showing that they are inside. Those lines are to be drawn here like this. Same hidden lines. One, two, three, 4 hidden, 5 hidden. A, B, C, D, E. See, I have not done anything extra, but simple is that rotated this at an angle of 45 degrees. Previously, I have explained few problems. This point should be in contact such that this half length should touch here and remaining half length should come here. Whereas this here, no condition such like that. Now, just simply projecting lines to top, projectors from front view to second stage. This is stage 2. Stage 1, true shape of base pentagon. Its top view. Now rotating, we have rotated it 45 degrees. Top view with 2 clearly things. Now, oh, I'm sorry, here I have to draw this as thick line. Why? Because there is no axis. Axis is being dominated by B2. Oops, I missed. Same shape. Now coming to this front view, projectors from A from B, from C, D, E, vertical projectors. Now from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertical projectors. From the stage 1 front view, from A which passes through C, from B, C already drawn, D, E. Now just picking the points, right? Now actually this is front view. When you are looking front view, so here it's supposed to be drawn here. Front view, I can clearly see this A, B, C, D, E, F points clearly. 1, 2, 3, what edges I can see clearly, what are hidden we will decide. Now first write the points. A to A, A1 dash, B to B, B1 dash, C to C, C1 dash, D dash, D, D1 dash, E dash, E, E1 dash. Now from 1 dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, 2, 1 dash, 3 dash, 3, this is 3 here, 1 dash, 4 dash, 4, 1 dash, 5 dash, 5, I have drawn points. Now it's clearly understands that at 45 degrees when you are looking from this pentagon base shape is clearly visible, which is that here A, B, C, D, E, F. So for that A1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash, D1 dash, E1 dash, I'm sorry. I have plotted A1 dash wrong. This is A1 dash. E1 dash, A1 dash. Pentagon shape. Now, how about other base? Other base, when I am looking from here, when you are looking from their front view, partially these two only visible. This and this. Now, if you want to analyze from the figure as I was telling, with respect to the central line, whatever the edges are below it, they are clearly visible. Now, if you see, observe, with respect to central line, 1, 2, it's clearly visible. With respect to central line, 1, 2. So, I am drawing 1, 1 dash, 2, 1 dash. My goodness. Now with respect to central line, there is one more. 1, 2, 1, 5. Inside, 1, 5. So that from 1, 1 dash, 5, 1 dash. Scales. With respect to center line below, what are the sides of a pentagon of backside base? 1, 2, 1 dash, 2, 1 dash, 1, 5. See, 1, 2 is connected, 1, 5 is connected, 1, 5. We don't find 2, 5 connection. Clear? So these are the two bases. Remaining sides of the backside, they are hidden. That is nothing but from 2 dash, 3, 1 dash, from 3, 1 dash, 4. Bottom is thick as usual, as always. 2 bases I have completed. 2 bases. With respect to center, 1, 2 thick, 1, 1 dash, 2, 1 dash, 1, 5 thick, 1, 1 dash, 5, 1 dash. Remaining 2, 3 hidden, 3, 4 hidden, 4, 5 its bottom which is on XY, it's clearly visible. I can't take you eye contact, I can explain it here. How about vertical edges? After seeing this, vertical edges are these lines. In the front view, what you can look at is same with respect to the concept of half. Half line, whatever there here below, they are all clearly visible. Half line means half line below 1A, that is 1 dash 1A, half line below 1A, 1 dash A1 dash. Half line below 2B, 1 after 2, 2B, 2B which is also top, this is also clearly visible. 2 dash, B1 dash. Here below, with respect to, actually 5C, it's hidden in the top view. But from the top view, when you are analyzing the front view, with respect to below half line, this 5C comes on XY, which is completely thick. Now, above 1, 2 we have completed, 3. 3C. Where is 3C here? 3 dash to C1 dash. They are separate. Right? Up to here it's visible. Now whereas inside, back side it is hidden. This much. Actually it should from 3 dash to C1 dash. But it is back side. But 1 dash A1 dash being dominated comes front this 3 dash. Next 4D. 4D comes where? 4 dash D1 dash base. Base will be always thick. Total thick. This thick, this thick. So it completely show you that thing. Now one more important thing is axis line. You have to show the axis. Sir, here for axis O dash we have shown. In the top view we have not shown because dominated. As we have rotated it here, this is also not visible. It also being dominated. But whereas here, this O is separate in the front view. So from the front view you can show it separately. For that what you can do is from O dash, try to draw projector. This is last I am doing. Now from 2, as this is dominating 2B line, I said 2 dash B dash dominating O dash. So 2B we are supposed to consider it as axis line. So from 2 here comes one point, from B here comes another point, which is nothing but here it has O1 dash, dash dot, dash dot, dash dot, dash dot, dash, axis line, which completes the answer. See, I have not done anything, right? As per question, see the condition we have satisfied. Has one of its rectangular faces on HP. One of its rectangular faces. What is the rectangular faces is on HP? See, this is the rectangle face. Bottom rectangle face. 5 dash, 4 dash, D dash, E dash. 5 dash, 4 dash, E1 dash, D1 dash. One rectangular face on HP. Axis is inclined at 45 degrees to VP. VP inclination should be viewed in only top view. Axis inclined at 45 degrees. With the axis, we are dealing with axis parallel to HP. If you observe, this axis is above XY line parallel. Simple. See, you are supposed to analyze the position. Finally, it was like this. 45 degrees made 90 to draw true shape and its respective top view. Right? You are supposed to draw first true shape of the base in any one of the view as per your problem, angle, removing, addition, etc. Front view, true shape, top view projected, then 45 degrees, rotated 45 degrees, projected its front view. When you are drawing front view, you are supposed to understand with respect to half line, which base is clearly visible, thick, which is partially visible, which is hidden, what edges, vertical edges, 2 dash, B1 dash, 1 dash, A1 dash, 5 dash, what edges are thick, what edges are hidden. I hope you all understand. Simple, try to analyze. Right? I have drawn maximum all the lines and in a correct dimensional way, so that it will be easy for you to understand. I tried to show you like that. Right? Go through twice or thrice You will understand it. It's not a big problem. If you have still any doubts, you can ask me at any time. Thank you. Jai Hind.